Hi, I'm Eric Engel. In this video I'm going to discuss what are the costs involved in selling my home. There are a lot of costs involved in selling a home. Some are negotiable and some aren't. And they range from the payoff of the loan, title insurance, transfer taxes, escrow fees, demand fees, reconveyance fees, termite repairs, home protection policy, lender fees, brokerage fees, disclosure reports, buyer's closing costs, prorated taxes, and repair costs, just to name a few. And yes, everybody has their finger in the pie of your net proceeds. And I don't like it any more than you do. But what is important to understand is that many try to cut costs by eliminating one fee that will put most money back into your pocket. And that's the brokerage fee. Because no matter how you slice it, statistics have shown time and time again that on average, sellers net more money even after paying an agent than selling on their own. So for more information on the cost of selling your home, go ahead and call us at 909-949-6097 or visit our website for a free report, 27 valuable tips you should know to get your home sold fast and for top dollar. I'm Eric Engel. I'll see you in the next video.